Hi, Scott and Julie with the WESLEY team. Welcome to our newest listing at 10 Wesley Street in the heart of Old Sunnidale.
When it comes to 10 Wesley, guys, it is so much more than meets the eye. It starts with square footage. We've got over 3,400 square feet on the main and upper. We've got parking for 5 vehicles, not one, but 2 basement entrances, and that's before we get into the backyard, which is full of surprises.
Not to mention the location. Old Sunnidale has great proximity to the highway, has multiple parks, and is close to downtown. We can't wait for you to get inside and take a look at this one.
The kitchen's been recently painted and is absolutely filled with natural light with a great eat-in area. But we've also got a lot more than cosmetics here, guys. The roof, the windows, the furnace and AC have all been updated over the last few years. And that's not all. One of my favorite features of this home is we got a split bedroom floor plan. We got the master on one end, 2 spacious bedrooms, and a huge bathroom in between. You're gonna love this layout.
With the addition off the back of the house came this great room with a wood-burning fireplace, wood detail on the ceiling, and sliding patio doors with easy access to the backyard. Not to mention the master suite that's spacious and also has access to the backyard and the hot tub.
There's a lot more than meets the eye in the lower level as well, with another 1,700 square feet down here. I mentioned earlier 2 separate entrances to the lower level. So whether you're got the in-laws moving in, older teenage kids that aren't ready to leave, or running your home-based business, we've already got a 3-piece bath and a kitchenette down here. This is the ideal setup.
If the interior of this home caught you by surprise, just wait until you see this backyard, starting with this double-wide gate that leads you back to a detached garage.
Not just any detached garage. This is 1.5 car, fully insulated, fully drywalled, and fully heated. This is man cave goals right here, but that's not all.
This backyard boasts a heated in-ground pool, hot tub that doesn't sacrifice your green space, with plenty of room for the kids to play and privacy. And that's not all.
And the cherry on top, we've got multiple living spaces out here. Some covered, some open air. Your entertaining options are simply endless at this property. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.